5 Best Garage Door Opener Remote. Here is the product number 5. DOORHAN Garage Door Gate Remote Control. Brand name, MHz Garage. Model number, SMG053 Door. Type of programming, programming with the receiver. Number of channels, 4. Code, rolling code. Voltage, 12V. Frequency, 433 MHz. Compatible model, all DOORHAN remote control 433 MHz rolling code. Here is the product number 4. Remote control duplicator copy clone garage door. Type of programming, SOMFY copy. Material, ABS and metal. Frequency, 433.92 MHz. 433 MHz. Code fixed code. Buttons, 4. Battery, 12 volts 27A with battery. With this remote cloner you can clone all 433.92 MHz fixed code key fobs. Here is the product number 3. 300 to 900 MHz remote control gate garage door. Product material, ABS. Product weight, 35 grams. Product color, black. Rated voltage, 3 volts CR2032. Installation, wireless. Radio transmission distance, 30 to 100 meters, open area. Scope of application, garage door, alarm, automatic door, rolling door, etc. Here is the product number 2. DOORHAN Garage Remote Control 433.92 MHz. DOORHAN Garage Remote Control 433.92 MHz rolling code DOORHAN Transmitter 2 Gate Control Remote Barrier suitable for all door. Type of programming, programming with the receiver. Number of channels, 4. Code, rolling code. Frequency, 433 MHz. Voltage, 12 volts 27A. Here is the product number 1. Gate control for 287 to 868 MHz garage door remote. Brand name, MHz Garage. Model number, garage door remote control. Battery, CR2032x1. Material, metal and PVC. Usage, face-to-face cloning. 4. Rolling code, fixed code, learning code. Distance, 550 m. Use for, garage door / gate / sliding gate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.